Get rid of rats, roaches, and any other insects in your house in just a few hours. So folks, if you're having problems with rats, roaches, or other insects at home or in the garden, and if you prefer to avoid the use of toxic poisons, then I have the perfect solution for you. This homemade poison is completely safe and doesn't involve the use of toxic substances. Let me know in the comments which pests appear most in your house, rats or roaches. To safely and effectively eliminate these two types of pests, you can use this simple homemade recipe. And folks, it's really easy. First, take a container and add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Also, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And finally, 2 tablespoons of flour. And now just mix everything very well. This mixture is very powerful against rats. When rats consume the flour, it expands in their stomach due to liquid absorption, which will cause them digestive problems. Now, to complete our mixture, we're also going to use 6 cucumber slices. Let's add some of the powder directly on the cucumber slices we cut. And after that, just place them in areas where rats and cockroaches usually appear, like in the kitchen or living room. The digestion process will take about 1 hour, so you must be a little patient. When rats and cockroaches consume this mixture, it expands in the stomach due to the yeast in the baking soda. As a result, they won't be able to digest properly, making all rats and cockroaches disappear from your house. This method always works pretty well against roaches, as these insects cannot tolerate the smell of cucumber, making them avoid areas with this fragrance. The cockroaches near the slices will be attracted by the sugar and will consume the mixture. Then, baking soda will be lethal for these insects, causing them to flip over. And one of the reasons I like using this combination is because it's totally safe. There's no risk of poisoning children or pets by accident. Additionally, the results are effective and quick. This incredible recipe is a totally natural and economical alternative to traditional methods for eliminating these pests. Best of all, the ingredients needed for this trick are easy to find in any supermarket, and also they're pretty cheap ingredients, meaning you won't have to spend much money on chemicals or pest control services. If you want to get rid of rats, cockroaches, or other insects once for all, in a total safe, effective, and cheap way, this homemade recipe is the perfect solution. So, that was today's tip. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.